Every brick begins deep within the earth, hidden beneath layers of clay. Powerful machines extract the raw material for bricks. The journey from quarry to factory begins. Raw clay arrives at the heart of production. The clay is refined into a workable material. Moisture and mixing prepare the clay for shaping. Each brick is cut with remarkable accuracy. Precision shaping gives bricks their first form. Slow drying removes moisture before firing. Now comes the stage that creates strength. Fire transforms soft clay into durable brick. Controlled cooling prevents cracks and defects. Every brick must meet strict quality standards.
Automation prepares the bricks for shipment.
From raw earth to towering cities, every brick helps build the future.